Ever stared at a long list of crypto addresses and felt your brain turn to mush? You're trying to figure out which one is for your coffee fund, your emergency savings, or that speculative altcoin you bought on a whim. It's a messy, confusing digital jungle. And let's be honest, in the fast-paced world of crypto, a single wrong move can cost you. The risk of sending funds to the wrong address is a constant, nagging fear. But what if there was a simple way to bring order to the chaos? A way to clearly identify where your money is going and coming from, without needing a spreadsheet or a photographic memory? That's the power of labeling your wallets, and it's a feature on Bitwala that can make your crypto life infinitely easier and safer. Think of it like giving a nickname to a friend in your phone contacts. It makes them instantly recognizable. Instead of a jumble of random letters and numbers, you get a clear, descriptive name like Holiday Fund, Daily Spending, or Taro's Birthday Gift. This isn't just about tidiness, it's a crucial security measure that helps you avoid costly mistakes. So, how do you do it? Let's walk through it together. First, log into your Bitwala account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see your various crypto holdings. Now, navigate to the Wallets section. This is your command center for all things crypto within the app. You'll see a list of your different wallets, each with its own public address. Now, to add a label, you'll need to select the specific wallet you want to rename. For example, let's say you have a Bitcoin wallet that you've designated for your long-term savings. Tap on that wallet. This will take you to its details page, where you can see all the transactions associated with it. Look for a small edit icon, often represented by a pencil. Tap on it. A pop-up or a new screen will appear, prompting you to enter a new name for the wallet. This is your moment to get creative and descriptive. Instead of the default Bitcoin wallet, you could name it BTC Long-Term HODL, Retirement Savings, or House Down Payment. Whatever makes the most sense to you. Once you've entered the new label, simply hit Save or Confirm. That's it. You've just transformed a generic, hard-to-read address into a clearly labeled, easy-to-manage asset. You can do this for all your wallets, whether they hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported cryptocurrency. This simple action organizes your entire portfolio at a glance. When you're ready to send or receive funds, instead of having to cross-reference addresses, you can simply select the wallet labeled Daily Coffee or Rent. The peace of mind you get from knowing you're sending funds to the right place is invaluable. It's a small change with a massive impact. It streamlines your crypto management, reduces the potential for human error, and gives you a clear overview of your financial goals. In a space where precision is paramount, this feature is a game changer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.